Are you looking for the perfect entertaining pontoon this summer? This one's for you. A fresh new trade, a 2018 Avalon Catalina, powered by a Mercury 200 with only 99 hours on it. This boat has so much life left in it. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the back, you have a nice big bar table, so you can have the snacks, drinks out all day long. Then coming into the boat, you have your bar, so you can play cards, drinks, snacks all day long. This boat does have a wash down system in it, so easy to clean off the floor, the seats, whatever you have going on throughout the day. You have your blue RGB lighting in here. This boat does have the Wet Sounds audio, so you can be playing the tunes all day long. Under this is your changing room, easy pop-up access to that. You have your table up front where you can keep out or put away to give you a little bit more room. Lots of seating up here. You can seat up to 14 people in this pontoon, so lots of room to bring your family and friends for a full day on the water. You're going to want to come check out this boat at MarineMax in Nisswa or visit it on our website at marinemax.com. Let's get you on the water this summer.